Hi guys, it's Kevin again. A couple of updates. I wanted everybody to know that I updated sticksandstoneswoodcarving.com. Alright, starting a membership thing on there again. Now the membership is free, but the members on the site, at least if you guys go to the site and you sign up as a member, I can give you a lot more personal attention. You know, you can answer questions, you can ask questions, I can answer them for you. I'll be able to put special videos on just for members that you're not going to be seeing on YouTube. I'm going to be offering a lot of videos. I'm starting to put together a lot of videos now, digital files that you can actually download, but it's a whole video, carving video, training video, that you can download right to your computer, and it's not going to be on YouTube. It won't be a bunch of little clips. It'll be one big video, you know, and I'm going to offer them on other sites and start selling them. But what I'm going to do is, if you're a member of Sticks and Stones, you know, you guys can come in, you'll get them at a discounted rate, all right? And that's just the member section. But in the member section, we can message each other. I'm going to set things up like chat. I'm going to set things up like you can come in and post your pictures, you know, stuff like that. I want to really get more interactive with you guys. And it's just a lot easier. It's also from Sticks and Stones Woodcarving, when you go there, you can have access to the YouTube channel right from there real easy. You can also go right to our Facebook page. We're starting to build a pretty good community on Facebook, so I'd like to really get everybody there. And you know, if I end up making a newsletter or whatever, I can always just email it out to you guys. I have nobody's email address, and as you know, on YouTube, you know, we have no way to get really in touch with you guys. If you guys have questions or whatever, you know, I can help you out a lot more. I can send you things that are coming up. I'm going to start doing some live events, for instance, and I wanted to use this video to ask you guys about that. If I started setting up live events and we'd live stream, you know, especially when my arm's better. I have a little bit of an injury here with tendonitis, I was telling you the other day. But if I do live events, you know, what would be the best day you think and best time that I should live stream? Possibly I'm thinking on the weekend, I'm sure. But I'd like to try one, so I'm going to start setting that up. And I'd like you guys to give me some feedback, what you would want covered. You know, what would you like me to talk about? Maybe we'll just have a first live event and just have a Q&A session, you know. You guys ask me questions and I can give you answers. Maybe I can send you to different things that you need. A lot of people ask me about tools. Tools, you know, what tools do you use? Let's have a live event, you know. You can ask me live, I can answer you live. We'll put a chat up there, and we'll give it a shot. I never did live streaming, so it'll be a first shot. So I'd like to know if there's any interest in that. So definitely let me know. You know, use this video, respond. You know, definitely let me know what you'd like to cover. I mean, we could do a live carving, step by step. You know, you can ask questions about it. I think it'd be a really cool thing. So, kind of heading that way. All right, but definitely go to sticksandstoneswoodcarving.com. All right. Join the membership section, because I check that every day. I just set it up. I want to make sure everything's working okay. You know, if you sign up late, it's free. You don't have to pay to be a member, like I said. But I'm going to be offering a lot of things. And the members, if you're a member of the site, you know, I can definitely interact with you a lot better, and I can give you guys discounts. Only the members are going to get discounts on stuff, because I'm going to start putting a lot of the stuff, redoing a lot of videos that I've done, making things bigger and better, doing a lot of chainsaw stuff, which I'm really not going to put on YouTube that much, you know. That stuff I'd like to actually put together in videos and sell them on another site, you know, 'cause I'm trying to build an income here, okay, online. And what I'd like to do is at least offer my members, you know, my people that are faithful followers, big discounts on that stuff, okay, because I'm going to sell them on eBay and everywhere else, you know. Couple other sites. There's a blog on the site too now, so you know, I can talk about my opinions. You guys can comment. I can send you the products if you need them, you know. So there's all kinds of nice things I'd like to see really take off. And you know, I started it a while ago, a couple of years back. I tried to do a couple things like that, you know, tested the waters out. Nothing really worked out. I wasn't too computer savvy. I'm getting a little bit better at that. So I think the site's really coming along good. It's a lot more easy to navigate. There's a lot of neat things I can actually, you know, link to, and make it just a whole better experience for all of us. But definitely know about, let me know about live events. Okay, I think I covered everything in this video I wanted to tell you. I told you about the blog. All right, Going to be doing a whole other channel with just reviews, because I don't want to just clog up this site with just reviews, you know, but I would like to get in doing reviews on certain things. And the live streaming is the big thing I wanted to talk about. I really wanted you guys to give me feedback on that. If you're interested in that, definitely, like I said, let me know. And what day, what time, and really, what would you like to see covered? Okay, so I can at least prepare a little bit for that and know what you guys want to talk about before even going in and starting it up. If we get enough interest, we'll start streaming once a week. That way we can, really like to get the site going now and for the rest of the year. I just want to at least post once a week, you know, at least do a live event once a week and just really make the channel what I know it can be, you know, which is a lot bigger, a lot better, a lot more friendly, a lot better camera. Yeah, I have a better camera nowadays, you know. I'll make sure the lighting's good, because a lot of the old videos are just, you know, junk camera, no lights in my shed, you know, so definitely let me know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and tell me what you want. Alright guys, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.